बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। शुरू अल्लाह के नाम से जो बड़ा मेहरबान नहायत रहम वाला है। Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. I am Muhammad Badr. It's our lecture number 7. Today we will discuss review exercise 1, subject mathematics of class 9th. Dear students, now we start review exercise 1. Question number 1 is select the correct answer in each of the following. Part 1. The order of matrix this is. We know that order of a matrix is number of rows by number of columns. Dear students, you can see that in this matrix we have one row and two columns. So its answer is 1 by 2. That is option B is correct. Now in part 2, this matrix is called dash matrix. We can see that in this matrix diagonal entries are same and other entries are 0. This is the definition of scalar matrix. So option C is correct. Part 3, which is order of a square matrix. Dear students, we know that a square matrix is a matrix in which number of rows and number of columns are equal. So option A is correct. Now part 4, order of transpose of this matrix is. We can see that in this matrix there are 3 rows and 2 columns. So order of this matrix is 3 by 2 and order of its transpose is 2 by 3. So option B is correct. Part 5, adjoint of this matrix is. We know that to find adjoint of a matrix we change the place of diagonal entries and the sign of other entries. So option A is correct. Now part 6, product of these two matrices is. Dear students, we know that to find the product of two matrices we multiply first row of first matrix to the first column of second matrix. So its answer is 2x minus y. That is option C is correct. Part 7. If determinant of a matrix is equal to 0, then x is equal to. Dear students, to find its answer we solve this question. We know that to find determinant of a matrix we multiply diagonal entries and then subtract them and put it equal to 0. So 2x equal to 18 and x is equal to 9. So option A is correct. Now part 8. If x plus this matrix is equal to this matrix, then x is equal to. Again we solve this question. First of all, we shift matrix on the left hand side to the right hand side and then subtract these two matrices. And after solving we have x matrix. So option D is correct. Question number 3. If these two matrices are equal, then find A and B. Its solution is, dear students, because these two matrices are equal, so their corresponding elements are equal. Hence, by comparing corresponding elements, we have A plus 3 is equal to minus 3 and B minus 1 is equal to 2. Dear students, we will compare only those elements which have A and B. So A is equal to minus 6 and B is equal to 3. Question number 4. If matrices A and B are given, then find the following. Part 4. 2 by 3 multiply 2A minus 3B. Its solution is, dear students, first we will find 2A minus 3B by multiplying 2 with matrix A and 3 with matrix B. So after multiplying and after subtract these two matrices, we have 2A minus 3B is equal to this matrix. Now we will multiply 2 by 3 to both sides and after multiplying 2 by 3 to each entry of the matrix on the right hand side and after simplification we have the final result. Dear students, in question number 5, we have to find the value of matrix X. Its solution is, first of all, we will shift a matrix on the left hand side to the right hand side with a negative sign, and after subtracting these two matrices and after solving, we have X is equal to this matrix. Question number 6, if matrices A and B are given, then prove that A into B is not equal to B into A. Dear students, here we have to prove that matrices are not commutative. Its solution is, first we will find matrix A into matrix B. First of all, multiply first row of first matrix to first column of second matrix, and then multiply first row of first matrix to the second column of second matrix, and similarly multiply second row of first matrix to both the columns of the second matrix. And then after solving, we have AB is equal to equation number 1. Now we will find BA. So multiply matrix B with matrix A. Multiplying in the same way, and after solving, we have BA is equal to equation number 2. Dear students, you can see that from equations 1 and 2, AB is not equal to BA. Dear students, solve remaining questions yourself. And question number 7 of review exercise 1 is same as question number 6 of exercise 1.5, which we have solved already. And until next lecture, Allah Hafiz.